welcome back to my channel. Today's look shows how I make my eyes pop a little bit more with some eyeshadow and liner and of course mascara. But yeah, I'm not gonna waste any time and go straight onto the makeup look. So first I primed my eyes using my Urban Decay eyeshadow primer, and then I'm going to take this pale, almost beige shade from my Carli Bybel Deluxe eyeshadow palette and put it all over my eyes to set the primer. Next I'm going to put this light brown shade from the same palette in my crease as my transition color. I'm going to use a big fluffy brush and apply this color using windshield wiper motions because I really want this color to stay in the crease and not go onto my eyelid. Then I'm going to take this dark brown color using a smaller, more defined blending brush, and I'm going to apply this on the outer V of my eye. I'm going to start off light with this color so I can build it up to the intensity I want it to. Here I'm going to be taking the excess product from the brush and I'm going to put it in my crease to deepen it. Then I'm going to go back to the fluffy brush I used with the light brown color and go over my crease to blend the two colors more. But I'm not going to dip back into the eyeshadow, I'm just using the excess product from the brush. Then taking that beige shade from before, I'm going to put it in the inner and middle part of my eye to lighten it. Next, I'm going to take this gold highlight shade and put it everywhere where I put the beige shade. But I didn't like how sheer it was, so I'm going to take this gold eyeshadow shade and put that where I put the highlight shade. Then I'm going to take that fluffy brush and blend everything in a little bit more. When I was blending the crease, I noticed that I started to lighten it, so I'm going to go back in with the dark brown shade to deepen it. Now I dipped back into the light brown shade and I'm going to blend it into the crease again to blend everything even more. Then I'm going to take the beige shade and put it right under my brow bone. Taking my e.l.f. highlighter in Starlight Glow, I'm going to apply this under my brow bone and the inner corner of my eye. For under the eye, I'm going to take this same light brown color and sweep that under the entire eye. Then I'm going to take the dark brown color and put it really close to the lash line to make my lashes look darker. Next, taking my Maybelline eyeliner, I'm going to do a very thin line against the lash line. You can do a wing if you want, but I chose not to. Next, I'm going to take my Maybelline Lash Sensational mascara, and I'm going to put many coats of this over my lashes. Mascara is one of the key products to make your eyes pop more because they can make your eyes look bigger. So now we are finally done with this look. I kind of like how it turned out. In my opinion, in order to make your eyes pop, you always have to try new things with the eyeshadow and eyeliner because everyone has a different eye shape and what I do doesn't necessarily mean it suits you. So I would say try a whole bunch of looks out and see what best suits you. But if you liked this video and this makeup look, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys in the next video.